As you guys may recall, I did a little workaround on my sprinkler piping to address a leak, and that worked out. That's been working really good. So now I am getting ready to install uh, some extensive landscape lighting, and I got a really good commercial quality landscape uh, transformer that I can put 300 watts on that. That doesn't sound like much maybe, but uh, LEDs, even a big one, is only about 10 watts, so that means I could put 30 lights on this panel right here. So I put in a new box so that I had room for my wiring to pull wire from what was supplying my valve controller over here, so that I could power my landscape transformer. And one cool thing here is that I did not want to go underneath this walkway right here, because I need to get over here on this side and run it along the retaining wall and out to the front, as well as going back the other way towards the patio. So I was going to have to, it was looking like I was going to have to dig underneath this, but instead the control joints were deep, and I got a tile blade on my circular saw, and I've cut a nice deep groove that I can lay my wiring in. And it's low voltage, so that's code and everything. And then once I get the wire in there, I'm going to use some concrete crack filler to put over top of it. It's kind of an elastic stuff that stays flexible. That way I can, if I need to, I can always pull another wire through there. But that saved me a lot of time right there. That took me about 15 minutes to do that cutting with a blade on my circular saw, and that digging and everything under there would have been 4 or 5, 6 times that much, I'm sure. So that's it.